Hey there, boys and girls. This week, we're going to be working on using Pebble Go to find information on the topic that we chose last week. Remember, you had done the topic web. You had also done the KWL chart for your topic. Actually, you did the K, which is what you know about your topic. Then you filled out the W section, which is what you wonder or what you want to know about your topic. So we're going to continue the chart today and get into the L section, which is what you learned section while you were researching. So we're going to use Pebble Go to do this, and you'll start off in week 10, which is showing up right here on the screen, and you'll see that it's researching on Pebble Go and recording information. So that's recording information on your KWL chart. So I'm going to click inside here. So of course you're going to be watching this video right here. If you like to have the step-by-step directions and to see Ms. Bell modeling everything that you're supposed to be doing. If you want to just look at written directions, like some people prefer, then you would actually just go here to number 2, which is written directions for using UD Search Pebble Go to find information. Okay, so there are a good amount of directions here. Remember, if you're using UD Library at home, it may ask you for a username and password. That is right here. So UD Search is the username, home access is the password. And then you would just follow along here. The first thing we need to do right now is access our KWL chart from last week. So you guys are going to have to do something a little different this time. So let me show you. So you'll be using the tab button up here. It's a plus sign. Sometimes it has a gray circle or blue circle around it. So it's at the very top of your computer screen. So you click on New Tab. And if you are already in ClassLink, you can just click on another Schoology window and just open it up there. I'm going to click here on my shortcut for Schoology. You're going to go to your Media Instructional Tech course, and then you will go to last week's assignment, which would be this one here, the Brainstorming a Topic and KWL for Research. So you click on that. You don't want to have to watch the video again. So you click on your Activity 3, Topic Web and KWL chart. And then you would just go ahead and over on this side, it would have an edit button and you could start editing your document again. Now, I'm just going to use an example that I already have set up. So here is my topic web up here, and then my KWL chart down here. So we're going to be using UD Search and Pebble Go to answer the questions that I have here in the What I Know section. All right. We're also going to be making sure the stuff that I have here is correct. So we'll be doing that. But once you have your document up, you also probably can go to Google Docs and just bring it up. It should have your copy in there. If not, just do what I did and go to last week's folder in a new window. So here we are in Pebble Go. Remember, you're going to be using either Pebble Go or Animals or Pebble Go Biographies, and you'll be using one of those to find the information on your topic. My computer's being kind of slow right now, so I'm not sure what's going on with it. I'm going to pick on Pebble Go Animals, or click on Pebble Go Animals, because my topic is falcons. So I'm going to go back in, and here we go. It's asking for the username and password because I'm at home. So I click Go. And of course, I chose birds. Click on birds, and I chose birds of prey. And then, of course, here's so remember in Pebble Go, they have tabs here that separate out the information, so it's very easy to follow and read. Or you can click on the speaker, which is the yellow circle, and that will read the information to you. What I like to do is minimize my window, which is up at the top. There's 2 squares, and I can minimize my window here, and then I'm going to bring my chart, going to pull down on it on the tab and bring it over. And look, I do have a ton of different windows open, so I apologize for that. So let me see if I can get to the right place now and try to separate them out. So now that I have my different tabs and windows set up where I can see them both, I would go ahead and look for information that answers my questions here, like how large are falcons? So right here it says they're the world's fastest flying birds. Ooh, so that actually would answer one of my other questions. How fast can they fly? So if I click here, I can say fastest flying bird. You don't have to write full sentences, and remember, do not copy exactly. I could say fastest flyers too if I want to change it up a little bit. So there's one piece of information I just learned. And it talks about their pointed wings. Also talks about the black marks covering its face on its feathers. And it says they're about the size of a crow. So they're kind of small. They're only about 2 pounds. Okay. Pointed wings. So this is extra information that I'm finding here. I'm going to go to habitat. Okay, I did ask about where they live. So they live in almost every habitat. I'm going to just put almost everywhere, right? And look, they even build nests on rocky cliffs. So I would say on mountains or cliffs. And then it says they live in cities as well, in very tall buildings. So I would just put cities and tall buildings. And sorry if I'm not typing very well. I'm trying to do a lot of things at once. Okay, so then I go to food. I did ask how many kinds or what animals they hunt and eat. And it says they hunt and kill other birds for food. Ooh, I didn't know they just killed other birds. I thought they hunted other animals like maybe rabbit or mice, stuff like that. So they eat other birds. So it says that they'll eat pigeons and small ducks. Wow, I didn't know that. And they do also eat mice, rabbits, squirrels. So that's what I thought. So I would just put mice, rabbits, squirrels. And you can put this in a different order if you want to. You can even use the bullets, which are usually up at the top here, but since I have my screen minimized, I can't find them right now. Okay, so life cycle. I did ask about their behavior. I didn't really ask about life cycle, but you could type some of this up as well. So a male is called a tercel and a female is a falcon. Females lay 2 to 4 eggs in a clutch. Young falcons have longer flight feathers while they learn to fly. They live 15 to 18 years. Okay, so that's a good amount of time. So they live 15 to 18 years. All right, and they lay 2 to 4 eggs at a time. All right, so the colors, it didn't talk about colors too much. It did say that they had speckled black on them. So I'm going to remember and put that. And they can move up to 200 miles per hour. Holy crud. So here by fast flyers, up to 200 miles per hour. Wow. And it says they have vision that's twice as good as humans. And their nest is called a scrape. That's kind of interesting. So you can put this information down as well. And I would say their vision is twice as good as humans. Okay, so I think I answered almost everything here. So that gives you an idea of how you're going to fill this up. And you can write down the extra information. That is fine. After you fill this out, all you're going to do is X out of it, and it will save it in Schoology because you're just typing in a normal document. So next week, what we're going to do is we're going to use a different online encyclopedia on UDLib search. So you can find extra information Or if any of your what you want to know questions were not answered, you'll look for those questions and answers in another online encyclopedia from UD LibSearch. Okay? All right, so that's what we're doing this week. I hope you enjoy researching. Remember to use the speaker feature if you would like. And I just think it's so fun to find out about new things because you learn something new every time you research. All right, I will see you guys next week in class. And then the rest of you, I will see you online. Have a good day. Good night. Bye.